The eufy E25 is a next-level robot vacuum and mop that delivers a deep, thorough clean far beyond what traditional robot cleaners can do. With powerful suction, advanced mopping technology, and intelligent navigation, it keeps your floor spotless with minimal effort. Huge thanks to eufy for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested, check the link in the description and don't wait. Starting $11.20, grab the E25 during Black Friday at its lowest price ever, just $599.99. The HydroJet System redefines robotic mopping by ensuring real-time self-cleaning of the mop, a feature most other robot vacuums simply don't have. Traditional models often end up smearing dirt around because their mops become saturated with grime during use. With HydroJet, the E25 avoids this entirely. Unlike typical robots that drag a dirty pad across the floor, the E25 uses a full HydroJet deep cleaning system, an industry-first and TÜV-certified technology. It starts with 32 evenly distributed water ports that continuously spray clean water onto the roller mop, ensuring it's refreshed throughout the cleaning process. The system then applies 15 newtons of strong downward pressure paired with an extra long 11.4-inch roller mop to lift and remove stubborn stains more effectively than standard flat pads. To keep the mop clean in real time, HydroJet uses a dual scraper structure that self-cleans the roller 120 times per minute, scraping off dirt and debris before they can re-adhere to the floor. As the roller is cleaned, dirty water is extracted and collected separately, preventing recontamination. Because the mop stays clean from start to finish, the E25 doesn't need to constantly return to its base like traditional models. This makes it significantly more efficient at handling tough messes like dried spills, muddy footprints, and pet accidents, all while maintaining a consistently fresh mop throughout the entire session. Hair entanglement is a common issue for robotic vacuums, often requiring frequent manual maintenance. The E25's dual spiral brushes are specifically designed to prevent this problem. These self-developed retractable dual spiral brushes rotate forward during cleaning to capture hair and debris efficiently. When the vacuum returns to the base station, the brushes automatically retract and spin in reverse, using the Archimedes spiral principle to funnel collected hair into the dustbin without tangles. This reduces maintenance time and ensures consistent cleaning performance. The E25 boasts an impressive 20,000 pascal suction power, making it one of the strongest robotic vacuums available. This high-power suction effectively removes dust, hair, and debris from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood. The Boost IQ technology intelligently detects carpets and increases suction power automatically to provide a deeper clean without user intervention. Cleaning along edges and in tight corners is challenging for many robotic vacuums, but the E25's Smart Corner Brush, also known as Corner Rover Arm, extends to reach difficult areas. This auto-extending side brush detects walls and corners, ensuring complete edge cleaning coverage. It increases overall cleaning effectiveness compared to standard models, particularly around irregular furniture and baseboards. The E25 features advanced AIC optical avoidance, which leverages RGB visual recognition and AI-powered navigation. This enables the robot to identify and maneuver around over 200+ household objects, such as furniture, toys, and cables, preventing unnecessary collisions and improving efficiency. It even operates effectively in low-light conditions thanks to its integrated LED lighting system. Additionally, the E25 Smart Dirt Detection identifies 30+ different stains, allowing the vacuum to adjust its cleaning strategy accordingly. Users can view automatic stain reports via the mobile app, ensuring thorough and customized cleaning. One of the standout features on the E25 is its all-in-one station, which eliminates the need for constant manual intervention by handling every major cleaning task automatically. It offers auto-emptying with a 3-liter dust bag that provides up to 75 days of hands-free use, along with auto-refilling through a 2.5-liter clean water tank that keeps the mop consistently refreshed. The station also adds detergent automatically to improve floor washing performance and handles both washing and temperature-controlled drying of the mop between 35 and 50 degrees Celsius to prevent mold and odors. Finally, a 1.8-liter dirty water tank collects wastewater from each cleaning session, keeping the entire system hygienic and low maintenance. The eufy Clean app, available on iOS and Android devices, offers a straightforward interface with clean navigation. Smart cleaning at your command thanks to integrations from Siri, Alexa, and Google Home. Matter protocol also supported. It includes home, zone, room, and common cleaning modes, adjustable suction and mop settings, and multi-level mapping for up to 5 saved maps. You can set no-go zones, no mop zones, and virtual walls for precise control. Additional features include Boost IQ for automatic suction adjustment, manual robot control, off-peak charging, and early access to experimental features via eufy Lab. The eufy E25 brings together the industry's most advanced mopping system, powerful suction, and intelligent automation to deliver a level of cleaning performance most robot vacuums simply can't match. With its HydroJet deep cleaning system, dual spiral detangle brushes, corner rover arm, AIC optical avoidance, and a fully automated all-in-one station, the E25 offers a true hands-free experience that keeps your home consistently clean with minimal effort. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet hair, or everyday messes, the E25 delivers a deeper, smarter, and more efficient clean. If you're interested, check the link in the description and don't wait. Starting $11.20, grab the E25 during Black Friday at its lowest price ever, just $599.99.